Welcome to Decode Chinese Characters.
Let's continue our number series. Stick with me. By the end, you'll definitely be able to say any number in Chinese with ease. We've already learned that 十 means 10, 百 means 100, and 千 means 1,000. So how do we say 10,000 in Chinese? You might be thinking, isn't 10,000 just is 10,000? Well, that is actually wrong. In English, we name large numbers using a three-digit grouping system. For example, thousand, million, and billion. But in Chinese, the number system works differently. The Chinese number system names large numbers using a four-digit grouping system. For example, 10,000 is not 10,000, but a single unit called 1,000. Let's learn this important character, 1. The character 1 represents the unit 10,000. It's the key building block for all numbers from 10,000 upward. For example, 10,000 is 1,000, 20,000 is 2,000, 3,000 is 3,000, and yes, 40,000 is 4,000. Exactly. When you put any digit from 1 to 9 in front of 1, it tells you the 10,000s place. For example, 8,000 means 80,000. Do you remember how to read four-digit numbers? It's super easy. You say the thousand part first, then the hundreds part, then the tens part, and finally the ones part. For example, 1,148 is 1,148. So how do we read 1,148? You're probably already figuring it out. Yes, we simply add the 10,000s part, 1, at the beginning. So 11,148 is 11,148. Do you get it? Let's practice reading some five-digit numbers in Chinese. 33,600 is 33,600. 54,720 is 54,720. 99,999 is 99,999. Congratulations! You know the character 1, and you can read all the numbers from 10,000 to 99,999 in Chinese now. Let's practice reading it.
1
1.
1
The character 1 is a single component made of three strokes: a horizontal stroke, a left falling stroke, a horizontal turning hook stroke. When we write the character 1, we follow the rule of writing from top to bottom. First, draw a horizontal stroke at the top of the grid. Next, draw a horizontal turning hook stroke under the horizontal. Finally, from the middle of that horizontal stroke, write a left falling stroke. Remember, the two strokes must not cross. Never write the character like this. Perfect! You write a beautiful character 1. Besides being used as the number 10,000, the character 1 is also used in many expressions to describe something extremely large, countless, or absolute. For example, 1 shou literally means 10,000 years of life, used to express long life or longevity blessings. 1 wu literally means 10,000 things, used to express all things in the world or everything in existence. 1 nan literally means 10,000 difficulties, used to express great difficulty or countless obstacles. In these words, 1 serves as an exaggerated way to express a great amount or an emphatic meaning. In ancient China, emperors wished for eternal life. So when ministers greeted the emperor, they would shout, 万岁! 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 万岁 literally means 10,000 years, and here it expresses the wish that the emperor would live forever. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. More Chinese character stories are coming soon.